day, everybody. Okay, so today is Christmas. Epic Christmas. Every single Tuesday, the first Tuesday of every single month. Okay, so today, if you go to free for the month, you're going to get this flexible combat system, City Environment Mega Pack Volume 2. This is cool. This is damn cool. Dynamic Volumetric Sky. Okay. I use Ultra Dynamic Sky, which is amazing. So let's see what that's like. Scan blah, 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 Interior Volume 1. Okay. Don't know what that is. Countryside Windmills and Barns. Already got that one, but it's pretty cool, actually. It's pretty cool. So let's have a look at this. Flexible Combat System. Okay, this is the trailer. Seems okay, you know. So you've got it's probably just a thing where you've got combat. Flexible combat. Okay. I mean, it could be pretty cool. Combat system, so it's an entire system you can implement for your combats. It kind of looks like slow motion kill cams. It looks pretty cool. I mean, it's framework for combat. I doubt I would ever use something like this, but then again, this must be appealing to a billion people out there, so that's pretty cool. You know, even if you're not going to use the assets, get them. They're free, which is pretty cool. What's next? We got this look good. This look good. I'm not gonna lie about that. I mean, look at this. That doesn't show in your thing, but damn, look at this. This looks really cool, actually. And there's an overview project on every single one of these, which is crazy. I mean, look at this. These are all the assets to just build any of these things, which is cool. You know what? We're gonna do a thing. Those that want to follow along, I'm gonna get this one, and we're gonna build a scene together. So those that are quite new to Unreal Engine and just want to follow along, you know what? Download this one, and I'll do a cool tutorial on this, and we can start following along, just building something, just something easy. Just start off easy. You know what I'm saying? But this is ridiculously epic, man. This is crazy. This is a nice one. I like this. Look at that Brazil. Look at that. All of these assets to create this, including the dust, including the lights, everything. I don't know what that is. That mannequins? But all of this, look how cool. This is wicked, man. Yeah, this is cool. Like, this is quite impressive, actually. Let's have a look. This is the last one, Middle East. Let's have a look at our Middle East. Come on, show that Middle East. Yeah, this is awesome, man. These are fantastic assets. These are incredible. Damn. Yeah, so this will do some nice. Let's begin with something nice and easy. From there we get dynamic volume sky. Okay, like I said, it looks pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie, but the thing with this is I use already an incredible plugin, dynamic, but this does look pretty cool actually. Okay, skies. This is a perfect one as well. Download this one too. We use this for our background of the skies. This is cool. Okay, so sky generator. That's awesome. That's wicked. Lovely. Isn't that lovely? Okay, so let's see now. Then we got this. Let's just go here quickly. Let's have a look here. So now it's this thing. I don't really know what that is. We've done all that. Okay, so it's really high resolution models. It looks like really like Arcvis kind of stuff. Okay, this is really nice to have. There's the assets. Yeah, so I mean, there's some really cool like Arcvis stuff there. You can check it out. Quite cool. I don't know if these are used for games. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. But if you want to do some cool renders, that's pretty damn cool. So let's see. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, it does have LODs and okay, 4K, 2K. Yeah, okay, 17,000. Okay, couch corner 26,000. Okay, for high end games maybe, but you're not going to create an entire game out of something like that. It's mental. And then we got this, which is cool. I mean, I've got this before and I use it and I like it. It's really cool. It's a nice scene. It's not, absolutely perfect, but you can use something for like quite nice stylized things. I wouldn't say it's realistic. I would say it's more in like the kind of a little bit of stylized thing. But once again, man, this is all for free. Fantastic. You get blueprints that actually have all the animations on them. You could put up windmills and stuff like that, all working already. You press play and it goes. So this is cool. This is really cool, man. Nicely done. Damn epic. Okay. And the other thing is if you go into free and you say free, permanently free, they always add an extra one over there. And this is Stylized Ancient Village, and this looks like this. So this is a nice add-on to the last one that we got, right? Remember, we got that Stylized Egyptian, and now you get Stylized Village, and this is pretty damn cool. So there we go, just another add-on. Make your stylized world a little bit bigger. But this is very cool, actually. Yeah, you want to do some stylized stuff out there. You got something like this. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice. All right, well, that's it. That's what's free for this month. Go get it. It's free. Log in, get your account. Just put them in your basket. Get them, buy them like normal. It'll say 0, but get them. They're free. Even if you don't use Unreal or whatever, you never know in the future. One day you might go, oh, I'm using Unreal. Damn, look at all these assets I've got. And I've done that before with a couple of other things and paid off. So collect the assets. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just sign in, get them, and get the assets. They are free. If you miss them for the month, they're gone. So you may as well just start a collection. You never know. You can also use a lot of these assets that aren't made by Epic. You can export them into other programs and use them like that. So highly recommend it. And once again, thanks for joining me. And see you guys later. Bye, guys.